Deboot 500 Smart Vacuum. Deboot 500 provides a versatile, everyday cleaning solution with its multiple cleaning modes. Deboot 500 efficiently cleans your floor and has an appropriate cleaning mode for every job. You can control your robot with the Ecovacs Home app, a simple remote or smart home system, and enjoy some free time while Deboot 500 cleans for you. Key features: Smart Motion Auto, Edge, and Spot Mode schedule cleanings, automatic charging up to 110 min. Runtime and 520 milliliters. Dustbin works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Effortless everyday cleaning. Max Mode maximizes cleaning performance. Give of your home an intense deep clean ahead of special occasions. Standard suction power is great for everyday cleaning, but when you want to give your house an intense clean, Max Mode will increase suction power to clean stubborn dirt. Easy to enjoy life. Schedule cleanings from the Ecovacs Home app anytime, anywhere. Feel free to enjoy your daily activities, then return to a clean home. And in BSB, easy to navigate. Deboot can easily clear doorsills and carpets up to 14 millimeters and reach under furniture with its low profile, allowing it to fully clean your space. Easy to use. You can start, stop, or charge your Dbot with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, the remote control, or your mobile device via Ecovacs Home app. Selective cleaning modes give your home the right clean for every occasion with flexible cleaning modes. Auto mode for general cleaning, Edge mode for clean. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Ready for any mess. Equipped with 2 side brushes and a main brush, Deboot will sweep, lift, and vacuum to clean an entire floor. Auto mode, a small area. Spot mode, or the edge of your floor. Edge mode. Number 2. Voice and app controls. Works with Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. Ecovacs Smart App comes divided by 5+ advanced features including direct control, scheduling, status updates, cleaning modes, accessories status, etc. Number 3. Max Mode Power. Increase suction power by up to 2x for particularly troublesome messes. Number 4. Up to 110-minute runtime. A longer battery life for even more cleaning. Auto return and charging means your robot will always be ready to clean. Number 5. Basic features. Includes anti-drop and anti-collision sensors, auto return charging, automatic software update, durable protective bumpers, high-efficiency filter, anti-scratch finish, a large easy-to-empty dustbin, large wheels for climbing thresholds, etc. Number 6. Comes divided by 1 charging dock, 4 dual-length side brushes, 2 high-efficiency air filters, 1 remote control battery, 1 cleaning tool. Number 7. 520 ml dustbin. A large dustbin ensures Dbot can clean large homes and is great for pet hair, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.